Hey everybody, Miss Mini Lover here, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your round wiring system for your dollhouse. This is a power strip that I got from Hobby Lobby. It has 12 outlets, a fuse, has a little bulb that lights up when the fuse is blown, and a switch to turn your lights on and off. On the back, you'll find a sticky pad. Just peel away the backing, and you can stick it wherever you want in your dollhouse. So for my dollhouse, this will actually be going under my dollhouse. You'll see it has a long wire, and then it has two prongs. Two little prong things, and that's where you hook your transformer up. So, before you hook your power strip up, you need to test all of your lights first. The reason you want to do this is because there could be a short in your lights. So you can test them using these two prongs. Do not plug your transformer in until you've hooked up your light to the transformer. So I have a little light here, my little flower light here, and you'll notice that you have a male plug on the end of your lights. You want to make sure you have something to pull the little metal pieces out. And do not lose them. Put them in a place where you're not going to lose them. Okay, you see I've pulled both the metal pieces out. And then you're going to pull up that, and you're going to pull the wire straight so you can pull it down through. Or you could even just keep the plug right on there and just test the wires. And then you're going to want to kind of split those open, and you'll see at the end there's two little exposed wires, and if it's not long enough, you can just strip the white part off a little bit so you have a longer piece. You're going to want to take one part of the wire and put it underneath the screw, and then take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten it on the onto the metal piece here. So as you see, I have the wires now connected, and don't put the wires under the metal squares. Make sure it's between the screw and the metal square. Now after you've done this, now it's safe to plug your light in, and let's see if it works. Perfect. As you can see, the light is glowing. Nothing's going wrong. The light isn't glowing too bright. Nothing is sparking, so it means that the light is perfectly fine. Now that you've tested your light, it's okay. Unplug your transformer and start unscrewing the wires from the transformer. Now you're going to want to put your plug back together so that you can plug it back into the power strip. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to curve your wires and put it in the little holes to the side. And then once you have done that, take one of your metal prongs and just wedge it in there. And then you have it part way in. Take your pliers or whatever you have and just press it the rest of the way in. And you're going to do the same for the other side. Once you have both prongs placed in the plug, you see the white wire, just simply take this end and just to give it a clean look. Now that your light is finished, you want to actually start hooking your transformer up to your power strip. At this time, make sure that your power strip is unplugged. So just like we did with the light, you're going to want to screw the prongs here of the power strip into the into the screws. So you're just going to slide each prong. Oops, I don't have that loose enough. Where's my screwdriver? And you can loosen these up if you can't get them in. Okay? It doesn't matter which prong goes where, just make sure there's one on each side. And put them between the screw and the metal square and tighten it up. And it doesn't have to be too tight, but don't make sure it's not going to move. And you're going to want to do the same for the other side. Now that we have our transformer hooked up to our power strip, we can now plug our transformer in. Once the transformer is plugged in, the transformer will carry the current through from the transformer to the prongs, up the wire into the power strip. And this now has power. You're going to want to take your light and plug it in. Now my light isn't lit, but that's because I have the switch off. So make sure you test that. And it turned on. Perfect. Now that you all know how to round wire your dollhouse, I'm going to make another video that shows how to hide some of the cords in your dollhouse and maybe possible places to put your power strip. That way they're not in the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. See you later.